Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and this video here I put together to show you how to survive a bear market. Now before we get into things, just want to say thank you to everyone subscribing, thank you to everyone liking the videos, and if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. So guys, in case you haven't seen, we are in a bear market. Look at that red line behind me. It's just going down and down and down. How long could it last for? Nobody knows. There's speculation, but nobody really knows. Everybody wants it to bounce back up. But you know, markets do what they do to inflict the most pain on the most people as possible. That's how they work. Now, if we take a look at the last time that there was a bit of a bull market in crypto, boom, that was the end of 2013, 2014. Okay, we saw it there. That was about 3 years before we had this one. So potentially do we have another 3 years because there was also one in 2011? It's possible. So that means potentially 2020, 2021 is when we may be seeing something. Now, is it going to take that long? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't predict the future. But what I did was I put together this video to show you a few things you can do to help get you through this bear market, whether it lasts another week, month, year, decade, hopefully not. But, you know, to help get you through it. So, the first thing was this quote by Peter Lynch right here. He's a pretty good investor. And he says that I found that when the market's going down and you buy funds wisely, at some point in the future you will be happy. You won't get there by reading now is the time to buy. So I'm sure a lot of you have seen videos out there like buy this, buy this, buy this. You chase whatever moon coins are out there, buy this, buy this, buy this. That's not how you make money. That's how you lose money, by buying at all-time highs and selling at the lows later when you don't want to hold on to it any longer. So now the market's going down. We may be finding a bottom. I mean, we could potentially be finding a bottom right around $6,000 here. But when the market's going down, now's the time to buy. Now's the time to start looking. So that brings us to the first thing you can do in this bear market to help you get through it. Start looking for great deals and opportunities of certain cryptocurrencies you want to hold for the long term. Now, the long term, like I said, could be months, could be years, could be a decade. I hope not. But I mean, it's probably going to be a little while. However, you know, a lot of people got into this market when Bitcoin was around 20,000 and Ethereum was at $1,500. And they're like, oh, somebody bought Ethereum at $7 and somebody bought Bitcoin at $100. And why wasn't that me? Well, guess what? That could be you now if you buy it now and hold it for a few years. I mean, potentially looking at some of these things, like for instance, Ethereum could be, again, be an over $1,000 thing. Could potentially be over a $10,000 thing. Could be. Okay? But that's something in the future. Bitcoin could be a $50,000 crypto, could be a $100,000 crypto. Even McAfee thinks it could be $1 million crypto. These are things that are potential in the future. Obviously, right now, there's a lot of negative market sentiment. People, you know, flooding all over the place. So nobody wants to buy them. But right now is probably the best time to buy them, not when CNBC is teaching you how to buy Ripple at $3. That's not the time to buy. So you can take some time, do some research, go through this stuff, and figure some things out. Because if you make some good purchases now and you just hold them, you forget about them, chances are you're going to be thanking me later on in life. Now, another thing you can do, for those of you who that's just not enough, you want to do more. Well, check this out. You can get into mining, okay? Mining when Bitcoin was $20,000, everybody was trying to do it. The price of graphics processors was absurd. However, mining now is a lot less hard. Still hard, but less hard. Not as many people trying to do it. And in a bear market, mining makes sense because guess what? You're mining now, and then it's going to be worth a lot more in the future. So Honey Miner is a brand new, it is a simple push button miner. Basically, if you've ever wanted to mine cryptocurrencies, now you can. Just go to honeyminer.com. You click start mining now. Actually, I think I'll post an affiliate link down below. That way, you know, helps me out as well. But yes, you can start mining immediately. All you do is push a button. They have it right now available for Windows, coming soon for Mac and Linux. But here's how it works. You sign up and you start mining. It really is that simple. And basically what they do is you join the community, you use your GPUs to mine. You can even mine using CPU power. Now, you don't get that much using CPU power, but you can do it. All right? And then You mine whatever coins are the most profitable, but you get paid in Bitcoin. Pretty rad system. So you just collect Bitcoin. Now, they even have a way to calculate your earnings. So basically, you get $2 per GPU per day. So if you have a computer with a GPU, gaming computer, you make like $700 a year. And you're off time. When you're not gaming, just mine and you make that in the background. Pretty freaking sweet. Get paid back for having your computer. Isn't that what this is all about? So that's another thing you can do. All right. So we had check out good things. We have mine. And the third is trade. Guess what? Trading in a bear market's hard. All right. It's a lot easier in a bull market because everything's going up explosively, especially when we have alt bubbles. Everything's going up like bananas. Well, in a bear market, it's more difficult. So that's why it pays to follow someone who is a really good trader. Now, I personally use signal profits. I trade a little bit every day on there, following the daily trading signals by a trader who's been the #1 trader in the world on TradingView. So, I myself am not a professional trader, but by following a professional trader, especially in this bear market, I've been able to make some money. So that's pretty cool. Also, there is a affiliate link down below. I make some money from that. So just so you know, all transparent here. But I use that. I think it works really well. And then that's the 3 things. So we have 1 is look at good projects to get into. 2 is start mining, which is pretty cool. 3 is trade. Obviously not everything you have, but trade some of it for fun. If you like trading, if you want to make some money, sure, you could check that out. It's $7 for a 2-week trial, so, not expensive. Or the last one is go back to work, you lazy fool. So, a lot of people, myself included, stopped working when things were going very, very well. I mean, I stopped working as a veterinarian. I still technically work every day making YouTube videos. But I stopped working because cryptos were doing so well. Well, guess what? I can go back to work. I may be a lifeguard. That'll be fun. Sitting out on the beach, doing whatever, checking out chicks in bikinis. I think I might do that. I'm a strong swimmer. I mean, it makes sense. And just nice hairy body. That always looks good on the beach. So I totally could be a lifeguard. However, take your mind off of crypto. We don't know how long this bear market's going to last. There's speculation it could come back in September, November, December, stuff like that, maybe February, or it may not come back until 2020, 2021, or I think it's a very unlikely chance, it may not come back for even longer. But there's a good chance it's going to come back because in markets, there are bear markets and there are bull markets. You can make money in bear markets, you can make money in bull markets, but the pigs get slaughtered. So we're in a bear market. Eventually, it'll turn around and we'll be in a bear market. And when that happens, it's going to be great. But until that happens, don't stress. I mean, everybody has lost a lot of money because of the bear market. But it happens. It happens, all right? I believe, and I hope that you believe, I hope this is why you're in crypto, but I believe that cryptocurrency is going to change the world. This is the biggest revolution, not only financial revolution, but also technological revolution since the internet for technology and for finances since banks came about. Okay, so this is like the biggest thing, and we're all taking part of this. Don't lose hope, but be easy on yourself, rest, relax, keep watching my videos, obviously, that goes without saying, but just take some time off, check out that stuff that I talked about, take a look at your portfolio, try your hand at mining. I mean, if you're not using your computer anyways, why the heck not? Try some trading, see if that works as well. But other than that, relax, go back to work, and I can't promise you because obviously, anything could happen. But, in like 5 years, if you hold on to your crypto that you have now, in 5 years, Now, I'm not saying all crypto. I'm not saying like your super shit coins. Those will probably disappear in 5 years. But like Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of the good ones in like the top 20, if you hold on to those, and also other projects that are smaller. So, cool. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Just want to make a short one, help you get through the bear market, because I know it's weighing on everybody. I feel the market sentiment. Even though I just stare at my computer all day, I feel the market sentiment. So, guys, remember, if you want to win a shirt, make sure to comment on this video. Let me know what you think, any other things you can do in this bear market. I mean, we all know wanking is an option, but that's not, for a video. So, I'll catch you guys later. Love you. Peace.